Hey there, future investors. Welcome to the world of securities. Ready to dive into the exciting realm of stocks, bonds, and more? Let's get started. Imagine a treasure chest filled with financial goodies. That's what securities are. They're like magical tokens that represent ownership or debt. There are two main types of securities: equity shares and debt instruments. Equity shares are like owning a piece of a company. Imagine owning a slice of your favorite pizza place. When the pizza place does well, your slice becomes more valuable. Let's say you own 10% of a chocolate factory. If they invent a new, super delicious chocolate, your share value will skyrocket. Debt instruments are like lending money to a friend. You get interest in return, but your friend promises to pay you back the money later. Imagine lending your friend $1,000 for a month. They promise to pay you back $1,050. That extra $50 is your interest. Equity shares have key terms like face value, market price, book value, and dividend. Let's say a company issues shares with a face value of 10, but the market price might be 25 if the company is doing well. Bonds, debentures, and government securities are different types of debt instruments. A bond is like a long-term loan to a company or government. A debenture is similar but might have less security. Investing in securities can be like a thrilling adventure. You can make money, get paid, and protect your money. So, there you have it. The world of securities is full of opportunities. Are you ready to start your financial adventure? Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks.